Finally, it's here, the new M18 Fuel framing nailer from Milwaukee. This nailer is gasless, utilising a nitrogen spring mechanism and a brushless motor to instantly fire nails on demand. Its compact size and design allows for easy manoeuvrability and easy access to tight spaces, and that tip design allows you to skew nails with ease. It's got 2 firing modes, single fire and bump fire. When bump firing, you can bury 3 nails per second. And your controls are on the base right above the battery for easy access. Simple depth adjustment up by the tip. There's a removable tip cover included, and the reload is nice and easy too. The gun takes 50 to 90mm nails, 30 to 34 degrees depending on the nail head, and there's an optional extra extended magazine to take the capacity from 51 to 93 nails. You switch out that magazine with just a couple of screws. The tool for doing so is on board. You get 700 nails out of a single 5 Ah M18 battery, and on top of the rafter hook, this belt clip is a nice addition. These framers are in store now at all your local Sydney Tools stores or online at sydneytools.com.au. So make sure you head on in for more info or hit me up with your questions in that comments section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.